Hello. Welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 5 exercises for a strong lower back. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. A big, strong back can prevent back pain. The back muscles assist you in turning your torso better, stretching your arms in and down from overhead, and, most importantly, support and stabilizing your spine. When you practice these fundamental muscles, you'll be more skilled at pulling and turning motions in general. Also, a bigger and more powerful back will support your balance and many other muscles and bones. It will decrease back pain and neck pain. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 5 beneficial exercises that target your back primarily, especially your lower back. Stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. Number 5. Deadlift. The deadlift is one of the best compound movements that target several muscles. This workout will add serious amounts of stability and muscle mass to the back as well as the hips and hamstrings. It concentrates on the back utilizing moderate to heavy loads. It can usually be trained in increased volumes and loads, ultimately delivering a one-of-a-kind training stimulus. Although the back muscles do not provide directly to the range of motion of the deadlift, it triggers your back and your hamstrings, glutes, and the muscles in your glute. It can be done with high loads or movement volumes to build muscle and strength boosts in the lower body. To make this motion, stand in front of a loaded barbell with your feet should be as wide as your shoulders, hips back, and back flat. The knees should be bent slightly to allow you to grasp the bar tightly, somewhat wider than shoulder width. Keep your back balanced and chest up. Press the back muscles and straighten the arms as you load the pull. With everything locked, aggressively move your legs into the floor as you simultaneously stretch your chest and shoulders upwards, lifting the bar to the hip. Number 4. Plank. Maybe the simplest practical exercise ever is the plank. Your hand should be straight under your shoulder, toes on the floor, keep your abdomen tight, keep your body up for 20 seconds, and do it 2 times. If you shake, there's nothing to worry about. This is the thing that occurs to every beginner, so just keep going and burn your muscles. Core power is significant for preventing back pain, providing adequate posture, and postural endurance. The plank is an excellent exercise for you to target the muscles of the core and the shoulder stabilizers. It has many different types for all levels and can be performed on your hands, elbows, knees, or toes. To further progress the movement, lift one hand off the ground and rotate the arm and trunk towards the roof before returning and repeating on the opposite side. Number 3. Lower back rotational. The lower back rotational stretch or flexion rotation exercise can help ease tension in the upper back and chest. It also gently functions the core muscles to enhance strength. The flexion rotation exercise is an easy stretch that you can do even if you have lower back pain. It is mainly used to treat back pain that is located on one side of the back. If you have pain on the side of your back, in your buttocks, or down one leg, this exercise may be the one that gives you effective relief. Another video on our channel introduces several activities for relieving pain on one side of the back. You can check it out. To do the lower back rotational stretch, lie back on the ground with bent knees and feet flat. Hold the shoulders firmly on the floor and slowly roll both bent knees over one side. Keep the position for 15 seconds. Return to the starting position. Gently move the bent knees over to the opposite side, hold, and return to the starting position. Repeat 3 times on each side twice a day. Number 2. Opposite arm and leg raise. Sometimes called the bird dog pose in yoga, this movement improves your abdominals and back muscle stability. To do this beneficial stretch, get on your hands and knees. Hold your back straight, with your hands exactly below your shoulders, and your knees should be straight under your hips. Gradually, reach out with one arm while stretching the leg on its opposite side. Hold both straight and in line. Maintain a few deep breaths in this pose, then lower your arm and leg to the starting position. Repeat this exercise with your other arm or leg. If you had a tissue box balanced on your lower back, it should stay in place throughout the movement. Try for 10 to 15 repeats on each side. Number 1. Superman pose. This exercise is on the top of our list because it works on all of the muscles of the lower back and your core. It is a fantastic exercise for activating all the muscles at the back, improving body posture, and relieving back pain. To do this beneficial easy exercise, you should lie down on your belly on the floor. Imagine stretching your total body, stretching your hands and legs in a line, and then extending the legs and the hands up for some inches. You should bring them up at the same time. While you are doing this, you should squeeze your buttocks, keep your core tight and look down. Hold the squeeze time for 5 seconds, release your body, and do it again. Do this exercise with concentration and focus. There is no need to do it fast. Just try to do it properly. Low back pain can cause considerable loss of function and restrict your ability to work or enjoy regular life. Exercises like the flexion rotation stretch can help offer you a self-care strategy to treat your problem. By incorporating activities into your daily routine and maintaining proper posture for your back, you may prevent future pain episodes. Having a strong and flexible back is not just about having a beautiful and toned body. It enhances your health too. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.